Hi, welcome to From the Desk of Antoinette Smith. This is Antoinette, and today I'm going to do a review of the Homestyle Wild Bird Feeder Perky Pet. Now, I bought the Perky Pet from jcswildlife.com through Amazon based on a recommendation from an article in Pinterest. I'd been doing a lot of research on feeders that actually does what it says, and that is provide a squirrel resistant product. And I definitely can attest that this does not allow squirrels to eat the seed. So this is just what came in the package. Got a thank you from the supplier with a 10% off coupon for my next order. So I just felt like this was just a beautiful, well done, like the craftsmanship was just well done. It was really nice. This top screws off and protects the seed inside. It holds up to 8 pounds of seed, and I don't put 8 pounds, I just put a little bit at a time. So that thing in the middle, I don't know what to call it, is where it would, if you wanted to not put it on a shepherd's hook, you would put it on like a pole. But this right here is the perch. As you can see, it moves. A squirrel's weight would be too heavy, and which it would cause it to shut access to the bird food. With a bird would be so light it would not move at all, and they would have access to the food. So I apologize for the video, kind of sideways, but that's the hook that also acts as another lock, because squirrels, if they could, they would lift that whole thing off. I'm struggling a little bit, but it's fine. So that's it. And now I would like to show you the squirrel's attempt to get to the food. So thank you for watching my video. I'll leave the link to where you could also purchase this if you're interested. Thanks.